Pakistan Industrial Technical Assistance Center (PITAC) was established in 1962 as an autonomous organization with the merger of Industrial Research and Development Center (IRDC) and Industrial Productivity Center (IPC), with its headquarters in Lahore. Since then, it is working under the administrative control of Ministry of Industries and Production Government of Pakistan. PITAC has three core functions for industry and common people. 1. Techno-managerial trainings. 2. Technological backup support services. 3. Advisory services. Mission statement of PITAC is to upgrade, advise, disseminate, extend assistance and skill development in technical and managerial fields to individuals and organizations throughout Pakistan, to train and upgrade skills of industrial personnel and common people, to disseminate modern technical know-how among industrial personnel through demand-driven training programs, workshops, group discussions and demonstrations, to design and manufacture production tooling, that is, jigs, fixtures, gauges, injection molds, compression molds, blow molds, dies and tools for various industries, to facilitate the light engineering sector in the field of designing, machining, casting, heat treatment, solar energy, programmable logic controller, measurement techniques and low-cost automation, to meet the challenges of technological advancement and increasing pace of globalization, which requires continuous update of technical and professional knowledge and skill of workforce. PITAC has designed a number of short-term and long-term training courses in the fields which are in very high demand by market and industry. Currently, PITAC is conducting 51 training courses in 3 fields. 1. Mechanical engineering. 2. Electronics engineering. 3. Management. Currently, PITAC has established PITAC College of Technology, where 3 years diploma in various technology will be awarded to the enrolled students. Technological backup support services of PITAC have helped the public and private industry of Pakistan over the last 55 years. Almost all the major industries have invariably got technical assistance from PITAC, and we proudly claim our contribution in industrial and economic growth of Pakistan. The areas of technological backup support services include 1. Designing and manufacturing of dies and molds. 2. Designing and manufacturing of jigs, fixtures, gauges and precision parts. Advisory services of PITAC are availed by small business units which don't have qualified engineers and hire the services of PITAC technical force in solving their in-plant problems. PITAC provides these services at nominal charges. PITAC's demographic coverage includes its regional center in Quetta, Karachi, Peshawar, Islamabad, Mirpur and Gilgit. Pakistan Industrial Technical Assistance Center, PITAC, 234 Ferozpur Road near Metro Canal Station, Lahore. Phone 99230699 9923030072. Website www.pitac.gov.pk.